Billy Betts from Lost Cause Meadery down in San Diego. This is your epic quest. Okay, what is it?
Date mead with cacao nibs, candy cat mushrooms, Ceylon cinnamon, Vietnamese cinnamon, Congolese vanilla, toasted hazelnuts, toasted black walnuts, cascabel chilies, ancho chilies, mulatto chilies, and pasilla de Oaxaca chilies. It is 13% alcohol by volume.
I got to tell you something. This is one of the most complex noses I've ever had in my life. And everything you just said, I got. So, Billy, I got to tell you, on this epic quest, what you say is in this thing is in this thing. The one thing I'm not getting big time in my nose, I haven't had it to drink yet, but the one thing I'm not getting in my nose, which I'm very sensitive to, is sulfites. So I'm sure I'm going to get that in the flavor, but I'm not getting it in the nose.
The chili's hiding it.
The chili's probably hiding it, yeah. But I'm getting the cinnamon off the top. I'm getting the cacao. I'm getting everything. This is one sexy nose on this thing, Billy. I mean that, because I tell you, if it wasn't. Well done. Was this barrel aged? Maybe the wood I'm getting here is from the cinnamon.
I don't see barrel aged anywhere else.
Okay, so you know what? I got to tell you, I'm getting those chilies in the flavor. They're dominant, but they're not overpowering. They settle right in over the top of the cinnamon. Beautiful honey notes on this thing. The cacao nibs are coming through it. Everything is in balance and showing up in the flavor here as well. It's not too dry, but it's sweet enough to make this very pleasurable.
A little heat from the chilies, but not bad at all. Not nice.
I'm not getting fusel alcohol, but that could be hidden from the chilies. But I'm getting the alcohol, the sweetness from it, which is helping. Billy, great job.
Lots of chocolate, vanilla.
I don't think I'd do anything different except throw this in a goddamn barrel, and it wouldn't be a bourbon barrel. It probably would be a port barrel or a Madeira barrel or a rum barrel. Rum barrel would be great on this. Point wise, Billy, I'm going to tell you, you're living about 44, and my 44 is pretty strict. What are you thinking about points here, Roger?
I give it in the low 40s.
Yeah.
I think it's a little sweet.
I think it has to be with
the sweet and the heat go together.
That's what I'm saying. It's really in balance for that. Really great job. Epic quest. Got to recommend this. I think it's one of the better commercial meads I've ever had. And the finish is at least a 3 or 4 minute finish, which is insane. It doesn't normally happen like that. I can't say enough about this mead, Billy. Great, great job. I said earlier, I'm very sensitive to sulfites. I'm not getting the sulfites in the flavor. So, great job, Billy. Great job.